Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. So today I'm going to show you how to replace these cabin filters up here. You're just going to start by pulling off that weather stripping and then the little filter that stops debris from getting in the drain. There's these three little clips, two on the top, one on the side, and then that whole thing will just lift right out the top. So you just have to put those little tabs back in the bottom, and then you can kind of just pinch this filter here, and you got these little tabs that kind of keep it from falling forward. And then you just lift it out from under those, then you'll pull on it straight up and check the airflow when you put the new one in. It has to be facing the way the air is going to go in there. So I'll usually start with the filter on the right, because the one on the left actually has these two little tabs where those divots are, and you need to lift the one on the right out first. So just kind of pinch it, lift it up, pull it out. With the one on the left, it has the same thing with the airflow pointing downward. So the one on the left actually has these little holes or cutouts. So if you try and lift it up, it won't come up. If you pull hard enough, you probably break those tabs. But basically all you want to do is slide it into the pocket where the other one was. And you can kind of see those little plastic teeth there. They just kind of stab into the filter to prevent it from moving. And there they are right there. So you just slide it over, and then you'll be able to lift it up and straight out. So if you lift it up and straight out of there, you'll notice that one of the filters has either holes or these little cutouts like this one has. Mine are aftermarket. The factory ones I think just have little holes in them, but these work just fine. I got them from Auto House AZ. But you check the airflow, make sure it's pointing down, and then you just slide it back over. You can see the tabs again. You just make sure you slide it right over there. And then you take the other one, and this one's a little more difficult. Make sure that it's sliding down, but you basically just have to kind of finagle it into place, make sure it slides in and sits completely flat. And get a better shot of that, and you got them both sitting perfectly flat. And then this filter, I actually forgot to buy this one, so I'm gonna have to get another one, but you can see the airflow when you get the new one. Make sure it's facing the correct direction. You can see the little tabs at the bottom there. Is basically all that holds it from in place. So you just set it in there, and then you just kind of lever the top pieces into place. And that's pretty much it. This one's probably going to get more dirty than the other ones because it catches all the debris. And then you'll just take that, slide it down in there, and once it drops in and lines up with the clips, you can just snap them back on. And then you just pretty much go in reverse order from there. There's just a couple tabs on this little kind of drain cover there, and those just kind of slide into place too. And then once all three are in, you just drop it down, it sits flat, and then you can pretty much just put your weather strip into place and just kind of hammer it back onto the lip there. And that's about how simple it is. So thanks for watching, everybody.